Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over a new beginner's tutorial, and this is going to be how to succeed in Excel here. So first off, we're going to start by what happens when you open up Excel here. So this is what the screen you'll get. You either get the home on the left over here, or you'll get the new. So we're going to start on new here. And down here, you can see there's many templates such as monthly company budget, employee absence schedule, bill paying checklist. These are all things you could use if you were going ahead and wanting to use one of these as a template. But we're going to go ahead to learn Excel here. We're going to click on a blank workbook. We're going to click up here in the top left here. So a blank workbook here, when we open it up here, we get all our tabs at the top. Here we got the home, insert, draw, page layout, etc. here up at the top. Then we got our section headed at the top over here. It's going to be our clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing, and ideas. Okay, so for this video, we're going to primarily focus on the home tab here. We'll get to all these here in the later part of the series, but we're going to start on this home tab here. And also we'll show you how important this is. So this is basically what you control for a basic Excel book. So this is our, and also down here, this is our sheet. We're on sheet 1 here. But before we get started, let's explain how Excel can help you. Excel can help you make charts and graphs really easily, organize data, and really a lot of data management. That's really what it's big on. So if you want any of these, this is a great tool to use Excel here. And it might look like a lot at first, but once you start using it, you'll become really familiar with it and it won't be as bad for you. Let's go ahead and start. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to begin. That way you are able to see better. So to do that, I'm going to go down here at the bottom right corner, click on this plus, and we're going to 150%. Now you should be able to see this better as I show you. So first off, we're going to go ahead and just type. So how do we type here in Excel? We got our columns at the top. They're all going to be letters, and our rows are going to be numbers. So to type something in here in Excel, all we're going to do is simply click on the cell. To name a cell, you go the column, letter, and then the number, row number. So this is going to be cell A1. So let's name the cell A1 Learning Excel. So now that we named that, as you can see here, it overlaps into cell B1. We'll go over how to fix that here shortly. But now that we got this here, we can go ahead, if we want to, and go ahead and switch the font up here. So it loads here. And let's say I like using Times New Roman. I just feel it looks really professional. So we're going to click on Times New Roman. It's really easy to read. I'm going to always use 12-point fonts. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up there. So now we got that here, and if you want to change the cell color, the word color, we can go ahead and click here, or if we want to add a background, we can also do that here. We'll go over that later, but for now we're going to leave that. You can also make it bold, you can italicize things, and you can underline words. We can go over all that later in different ones, but that gives you a basic idea of what you can do here in the font. So learning Excel here. So now to click to a different cell, I can either use the arrow keys, the right, left, down, up, or if I click on a cell, I can click the enter key. It's going to take me down, and the tab is going to take me right. Now to go back left or right, you're going to hit the shift, and then you're going to hit the tab, and the same with the enter. Shift and enter to go up. So those are two different ways you can move around Excel, or you can simply just click. So let's go ahead and let's learn how we can go ahead and align these. But before we get to there, if you do think this video is helpful, make sure you like this video and also subscribe. And let's go get back to the video here. So to make this into all fit in cell A1, as you can see, it overlaps here, and there you don't really see a B1 cell. It's hard to find. But if I start typing here in B1, now it cuts off cell A1. So I'm going to go ahead here, click on cell B1, and I'm going to click the delete key. That's going to get rid of it. So learning Excel now, to make this fit, I can either do one or couple things here. First off, I can, for cell A1 and B1, I can merge these two together and make them one cell. Then I can go up here and click the merge and center button, or if I want to merge across, unmerge cells, all these, if I click this arrow key. So we're going to go ahead back, unmerge cells. Another way I could do this is, let's say I wrap text. So it's going to wrap it down to the line below. So that works as well. We're going to do that. You simply just click wrap text again. But what I want to do here is I'm just going to grab in between cell, the column A1, A and B. There's this line. I'm going to simply just drag this line over and it expands the cell. So now, take it a little further. Now our cell is good. It's been expanded. It's really easy to see now. And it doesn't overlap. Let's say I put something in here and then it doesn't overlap cell A1. So I hope that part was helpful as well. And we're going to also go over many other things here, like such as, let's say I want to center the text here. I can right align it, left align. I can make this in the middle, top. This comes in helpful when you wrap text. But hopefully this is helpful. I can also go ahead, and if I want to, I can make the words go this way, that way. There's many options I can do. We'll go all over this. And I'm going to click to undo something here. So you're going to click the undo button. I'm going to click it twice to get back to where I wanted to be. And we'll go over this here in our next video here, but hopefully this video is helpful getting you started, kind of familiarizing yourself with Excel, basic ways to input stuff here. Final thing we're going to be going over here is the number. And let's say we have a number here in Excel. So we have 251.25 cents. So we got a number here. So now there's different ways to format this. We can go general. Let's say we want to make it a number. Also make it a currency. We'll click that. It's going to be a currency. We want to use accounting format. It's very similar, except you make a negative. I'll show you real quick. It's going to display negative in parentheses. That's how accountants display negatives. And also it will show fraction if we want that, percentage if we want that as well. There's many things here, but if you just want a general number, just click general. So hopefully all this is helpful. Hopefully you get started here in Excel. Check out our next video here coming up, where we're going to be going over basic formulas, how to use them here in Excel, how to enter them, and also how to insert images. So hopefully this video is helpful, and if it was, make sure you share it on with your friends on social media and other things. Help them learn about Excel as well. All right, thank you for watching.